What is NPS? NPS is a retirement savings scheme open to all citizens aged 18 to 70. It helps you create a retirement corpus. Plus, you get a monthly pension. It works a lot like mutual funds. But there are some major differences. Your contributions to an NPS fund are invested in different asset classes like equity and debt. As you turn 60, NPS matures. You can withdraw up to 60% of the corpus, tax-free. With the remaining 40%, you must buy an annuity plan to get a pension. Tax benefits. Investments up to 1 rupee. 5 lakh are available for tax deduction under Section 80C. There's an additional deduction of up to 50,000 rupees available. This is over and above the 80C limit. So, overall, 2 lakh rupees benefit. Eligibility. Individuals aged between 18 to 70 years. All citizens of India including RIs and non-resident Indians, NRIs. Individuals covered under any pension scheme. There are two types of NPS accounts, Tier 1 and Tier 2. While NPS Tier 1 is well suited for retirement planning, Tier 2 NPS accounts act as a voluntary savings account. Tier 1 NPS investment is a long-term one and the amount cannot be withdrawn until retirement. Tier 1 is the primary account. All the tax benefits mentioned are applicable only on this. So, when you invest through an employer or on your own, you will first need to open a Tier 1 account. Tier 2 is an add-on account to Tier 1. But you don't get any tax benefits. In this, you can invest and withdraw any amount, anytime. So the Tier 2 accounts are like any open-end mutual funds. Both Tier 1 and Tier 2 invest in the same asset classes. Features of NPS scheme. Tier 1 pension account, mandatory A, C, tax benefit available. Tier 2 investment account, optional A, C no tax benefit but corpus is withdrawable anytime. Minimum contribution during A, C opening is 500 rupees for Tier 1. Minimum contribution during A, C opening is 1000 rupees for Tier 2. Minimum total contribution in a year 1000 rupees, min. Amount per contribution 500 rupees, for Tier 1. Minimum total contribution in a year NA, min. Amount per contribution 250 rupees, for Tier 2. A very low-cost product with fund management charges of 0.03 to 0.09%. Attractive market-linked returns. Flexibility of investments. Subscriber may select a pension fund manager, PFM, of their choice. Subscriber is allowed to change PFM once during a financial year. Subscribers may also define their asset allocation, which may be changed 4 times in a given financial year. Portable across jobs and geographies. 24x7x365 through web and mobile app of Central Record Keeping Agency, CRA. One-time shift to NPS. Existing corpus under superannuation can one-time be transferred to NPS without any tax incidence. Continuation in NPS scheme post-retirement provision to contribute till 75 years or to defer withdrawal up to the age of 75 years. Complete withdrawal for corpus less than 5 lakh rupees, in case total accumulated corpus is less than Rs. 5 lakhs on attaining the age of 60, subscriber may withdraw entire corpus. Investment process. You have the option to choose funds from 10 different companies or pension funds. And you can invest in 4 asset classes: equity, corporate bonds, government bonds, alternative investments like REITs, InvITs, etc. In order to invest in NPS, you have to choose between 2 investment options. Active choice, auto choice, active choice. This is a flexible option. You can choose your asset allocation with some sublimits. Auto choice. This feature offers a low-cost portfolio with facilities like asset allocation and automatic annual rebalancing. Overall, you get 3 options. Moderate life cycle fund, conservative life cycle fund, aggressive life cycle fund.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.